In this video tutorial, we start by unboxing the all-new Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K streaming device to showcase everything included in the package. You'll find the Fire TV Stick, Alexa voice remote, power adapter, HDMI extender, and USB cable, all meticulously designed for a seamless streaming experience. After the unboxing, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of the initial setup. This includes connecting the Fire Stick to your Wi-Fi network and signing up with your Amazon account. Once set up, get ready to explore vibrant 4K Ultra HD content with support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+. The all-new Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K offers advanced 4K streaming, elevating your entertainment with improved performance from our best-selling 4K stick. Experience a truly cinematic atmosphere with vibrant 4K Ultra HD visuals, enriched by Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and immersive Dolby Atmos audio. With access to thousands of films and TV episodes, you can indulge in your favorites from popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more. Plus, enjoy thousands of free movies and TV episodes from streaming apps such as YouTube, YouTube Kids, MX Player, TVF Play, and Yup TV. Transform your smart home experience by controlling Alexa-compatible devices, like cameras and lights, directly from your remote. Simply press and ask Alexa to check the weather or dim the lights. The Alexa voice remote enables you to quickly find, launch, and control content using your voice. It also allows you to access your favorite apps with preset buttons and manage your TV's power and volume, all with one convenient remote. The Fire TV Stick now supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring smooth 4K streaming with less interference from other connected devices. To use Wi-Fi 6, you'll need a compatible router, which will enhance your streaming experience, allowing for faster load times and more reliable connections. This is our most powerful streaming stick in India. Upgrade your 4K streaming experience with the Fire TV Stick 4K, now powered by a quad-core 1.7 GHz processor. This allows for faster app starts and more fluid navigation, making it easier to get to the good stuff. The Alexa voice remote comes equipped with TV controls. Just press and ask Alexa to find, launch, and control content, or even switch to cable. You can quickly access favorite apps with preset buttons, check sports scores, and play music. The dedicated power and volume buttons control your compatible TV, soundbar, and receiver seamlessly. From smart home control to smart living, you can manage compatible smart home devices right from your TV. Press and ask Alexa to show live view picture-in-picture camera feeds without interrupting your show, check the weather, order a pizza, or stream music. Plus, the Fire TV is continuously evolving with new Alexa skills and voice functionality. Once powered on, dive into a world of free entertainment through ad-supported streaming apps like YouTube, Amazon, Mini TV, NDTV India, and MX Player. Use the Free Hub feature to discover thousands of free movies and shows across various apps, ensuring you always have something entertaining to watch. To operate your Fire TV Stick remote, start by opening the battery compartment on the back. Insert the AAA battery with the positive end first, ensuring it aligns with the plus symbol inside the compartment. Then, push in the negative end until it's secure. Once the battery is in place, close the compartment cover firmly. To verify that the remote works, point it at your Fire TV Stick and press any button. The LED should light up, indicating a proper connection. To set up your Fire TV Stick, first connect the USB cable to the micro USB port on the side of the Fire Stick. Then, take the other end of the USB cable and plug it into the provided power adapter. This step is crucial, as using the included power adapter ensures the Fire Stick gets enough power for smooth operation. Next, insert the Fire Stick into one of your TV's HDMI ports. If the HDMI ports are in a tight spot or the Fire Stick doesn't fit well due to space constraints, use the HDMI extender that comes with the package. Once the Fire Stick is connected to the TV, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet to supply power to the device. Now, turn on your TV and use your remote to select the correct HDMI input. This will bring up the Fire TV interface, and you can begin the setup process on the screen, getting your Fire Stick ready for streaming. Once you turn on the TV, the Fire Stick will automatically detect the remote. If it doesn't, press and hold the home button on the remote for about 10 seconds to pair it manually. After that, the setup wizard will appear on your screen. Click the play or pause button on the remote to start the initial setup process. When setting up your Fire TV Stick, selecting your preferred language is one of the initial steps that personalizes your viewing experience. You'll find options like English, Spanish, French, and others. If your local regional language is available, consider selecting it for a more comfortable navigation experience. To make your selection, use the navigation keys on your remote to scroll through the languages. Once you find your preferred language, press the Select button to confirm your choice. This ensures that all on-screen text and menu options are displayed in a way that's accessible to you, making it easier to navigate through apps and settings for a smoother streaming experience. After selecting your language, you'll see the setup page for your Fire TV Stick, offering two options: using the Fire TV app or setting up manually with the remote. If you opt for the Fire TV app, ensure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download the app, which will assist you in connecting your Fire Stick to Wi-Fi and signing into your Amazon account. Alternatively, you can manually enter your Wi-Fi and Amazon account details using the remote. For example, if you have chosen Set up with remote, you'll be prompted to select your Wi-Fi network and input the password directly through the remote. The Fire TV Stick supports Wi-Fi 6 and dual band options, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, for enhanced streaming. Wi-Fi 6 provides faster speeds and improved efficiency, making it ideal for homes with multiple devices. While the 2.4 GHz band offers a longer range, it is slower and more prone to interference, which isn't ideal for high-definition streaming. In contrast, the 5 GHz band delivers higher speeds and less interference, making it optimal for 4K content. For the best performance, select the 5 GHz band during setup. After choosing it, simply enter your Wi-Fi password to establish a secure connection, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies without buffering. Once your Fire TV Stick is connected to the internet, it will automatically begin the process of downloading and installing the latest software updates. This step is crucial as it ensures your device operates with the most recent enhancements and optimizations. Updates may include new features, user interface improvements, security patches, and bug fixes, all of which contribute to a smoother and more secure streaming experience. The update process usually takes a few minutes, but the exact duration can vary based on your internet speed and the size of the update. During this time, it's important to wait patiently without interrupting the process. You may see a progress bar or spinning icon on the screen, indicating that the device is actively downloading the updates. As part of the installation, the Fire TV Stick may reboot itself. This reboot is necessary for applying the updates correctly and ensures that all changes take effect. During the reboot, the device will restart and may display the Amazon logo or a loading screen. This process may take a minute or two. It's crucial not to unplug the Fire Stick during the update process, as doing so can disrupt the installation and potentially lead to issues, such as software corruption or malfunction. Once the updates are successfully installed and the device has rebooted, you will be greeted with the home screen, ready to explore your favorite streaming content. This initial update ensures that your Fire TV Stick is functioning optimally and can provide the best possible experience as you navigate through apps, shows, and movies. Once the update is complete, you'll see the Amazon account sign-in page. Here, you have the option to either sign in with your existing Amazon account or create a new free account if needed. In this demonstration, we've chosen to sign in using our existing Amazon account, allowing us to access purchase content, subscriptions, and personalized recommendations. When you reach the sign-in page, you'll see two options: Sign in online and Sign in with QR code. Selecting Sign in with QR code offers a quicker and more convenient process. After choosing this option, a unique QR code will appear on your TV screen. To use this feature, open the Amazon app on your smartphone and ensure you're logged in. To sign in using the QR code, start by opening your smartphone's camera app or a dedicated QR code scanner app. Aim your camera at the QR code displayed on your TV screen. Once the camera recognizes the QR code, it will prompt you to open a link. Tapping this link will redirect you to the Amazon sign-in page in your mobile browser. On the Amazon sign-in page, you'll need to enter your account credentials, including your registered email address and password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Amazon account, you will also receive a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered email or phone number. Enter this OTP in the designated field to verify your identity. After successfully entering your credentials and any required verification codes, your Fire TV stick will automatically link to your Amazon account. You may see a message on your TV screen indicating that Fire TV registered successfully with your Amazon account. Additionally, your name will appear on the screen, confirming that you are logged in and ready to access your content and personalized settings. This seamless sign-in process enhances your experience, making it easy to start streaming your favorite shows and movies right away. On the welcome page, you'll find two options: Change account and Continue. If you wish to sign in with a different Amazon account, select the Change account option. This will take you back to the sign-in screen, allowing you to enter the credentials for a different account. If you're satisfied with your current Amazon account and want to proceed, simply click Continue. This will move you to the next step in the setup process. You have the option to save the connected Wi-Fi network password to your Amazon account. When prompted, you can choose either Yes or No. Selecting Yes will securely store the password in your Amazon account, allowing for easier reconnection of your Fire TV stick or other Amazon devices to the same network in the future. On the other hand, if you choose No, the password will not be saved, requiring manual entry if you need to reconnect later. On the Brand TV Do You Have page, you'll be prompted to select the brand of the TV connected to your Fire TV stick. This step is important because it allows the Fire TV remote to control basic functions of your TV, such as power, volume, and input switching. By choosing your TV brand, you ensure compatibility, making it easier to operate your entertainment system with just the Fire Stick remote. For instance, selecting brands like Samsung, LG, or Sony will configure the remote settings accordingly. After making your selection, the setup process will test the remote's ability to control your TV. You'll be asked to try turning the TV on or adjusting the volume. If the remote responds correctly, it confirms a successful pairing. This integrated control feature enhances your viewing experience by simplifying device management, allowing you to focus on enjoying your content. On the Get Started page, you can choose to install all necessary apps at once by selecting Get Started, or opt for No Thanks to install apps individually based on your preferences. You can enable parental controls now by following the prompts to set restrictions on content access, or you can choose the No Parental Control option to skip this step and configure the feature later. Finally, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the Fire TV stick interface. This action allows you to access content tailored to your viewing history, showcasing movies and shows you previously watched or added to your watch list. If you prefer, you can also create a new profile by selecting the appropriate option, which can be beneficial for sharing the device with family members or friends. Each profile can have its own personalized recommendations, ensuring that everyone gets suggestions that align with their tastes. It's important to note that since we are using an Amazon Prime account, you will see a wide array of Prime Video suggestions available for viewing. This includes exclusive movies, series, and original content from Amazon Prime, enhancing your streaming experience by making it easier to discover new favorites. Overall, the profile feature enriches the content discovery process, allowing for a more customized and enjoyable viewing experience for everyone. This streaming device is not limited to just Amazon Prime Video. You can also install a variety of other apps to expand your content options. For example, you can download popular streaming services like YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and many more. After installing these apps, you can sign in with your existing accounts to access a vast library of content across different genres, including movies, TV shows, music, and live events. This versatility allows you to enjoy a wide range of entertainment, ensuring that you have something to watch no matter your mood. Additionally, the Fire TV Stick offers the flexibility to explore and add new apps from the Amazon App Store, enhancing your streaming experience even further. To maximize your Fire TV Stick experience, it's essential to stay informed about the latest features, tips, and tricks. By following our channel, you'll gain access to a wealth of information that will help you navigate your device more effectively, from optimizing your streaming settings to discovering hidden features that enhance your viewing experience. Your likes and shares are crucial for us. They not only motivate us to produce more valuable content but also help others find our videos. Engaging with our content allows us to understand what topics resonate most with you, ensuring that we can continue to deliver the information you need. We appreciate your support, and together we can build a vibrant community of Fire TV Stick enthusiasts. Thank you for being a part of our journey.